Yeah, good morning, everyone. Uh, we had seen US market showing positive trend, mainly driven by the positive statement from the Fed in Jackson Hole meeting, wherein they had indicated that the rate cut is coming, and the expectations for the rate cut in September is anyhow at 100%. And the more now discussion is on whether the 0.25 or 0.5%, the chances of increasing by 0.5% has further increased, which was at around 25% earlier. So the rate cut is now more of a in prices, and people are expecting it coming in September. And the market is also in the US at almost at all-time high, near to all-time high, and hovering around that. Uh, Taking clue from the US, even the Asian market are showing positive trend, except few, wherein the Japanese market are a bit negative, but most of the other markets are showing positive trends. Uh, Even the commodities are also showing good bounce back in last few days and today also compared to Friday. Same time, oil is up by almost around almost around $2.5, whereas aluminum from the close of equity market on Friday is up by almost around 1.5% on LME, and even copper is up by around 1%. Iron ore is up by around 1.5% today morning in China, and steel is up by around 1%. So positive trend visible across the commodity as well, so which is likely to support the market. So what we see that overall trend from the internationals are indicating positive directions, and similar thing can be visible for Indian equity as well. We may see positive trend in the today's trade. Now I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yes, thank you. So good morning, all of you. This is Swati. Today, the market is likely to open with a gap up, and we are likely to witness some positive move during the day. On the technical front, as of now, Nifty might face immediate resistance towards 24,900 to 940. That is the resistance zone. If it surpasses that level, then definitely 25,000 levels can be seen very soon, and about that level, 25,140 levels will get open. Whereas on the downside, the support is placed at around 24,750. Below that level, 24,650 can be seen. The overall view is positive because Nifty is well placed above the short-term moving averages such as the 20 DMA, and it's trading in upward rising channel from the last 6 to 7 trading sessions, which gives a positive indication on the technical front. Coming towards the Bank Nifty as of now, it's just consolidating within a very tight range. For today intraday purpose, 51,170 is the immediate resistance level. Any more above that level will extend the rally towards 51,500, 51,770, whereas the support is placed at around 50,750 and 50,500. Talking about FinNifty, 23,300, 23,370 are the resistance level we need to keep eye on it, whereas the support is placed at around 23,150 and 23,080. Stock specific, LTTS really looks good on the technical front. The stock is well placed above the important moving averages. We believe that the counter is likely to extend its rally towards 256.80. So one can take a long positions at the current market price as well by maintaining a strict stop loss of 54.20. That's it from my end. I request Nirav to take a forward.
Yeah, thank you, Swati. On the derivative front, the data still continues to be positive. Importantly, we have seen good base building around 24,700, 24,800 levels. There is a likelihood that we can see the 25,000 levels being taken out. Lot of put built up has been seen in Friday's trading session at the 2500 put strike, and that is huge. The PCR at 25,000 is inching towards one, which is a good sign. The overall data continues to be at comfortable levels. So yeah, we expect further buying to continue and probably 25,000 to be taken out in the next couple of days. Look out for the same. 24,700 would be the stop loss for longs. From the stock specific front, we expect most of the sectors to do well, but banks as a whole have seen a lot of shorts, and now this is one sector which we believe can see further buying going ahead. So yeah, most likely, the banks should see short covering action now, and most of the banks should move up. So yeah, look out for the same. Yeah. So that's it from my side. Like to ask the fundamental team to take over, please.
Good morning. Ashoka Buildcon has emerged as lowest bidder for a project worth 478 crores from MMRDA, that is Mumbai Metropolitan Region Development Authority. Uno Minda and Tokai Rika Japan's joint venture has announced opening of new manufacturing plant at Neemrana, Rajasthan. The plant has an annual production capacity of 384,000 units per month, where it will manufacture products like smart keys, shift levers, seat belts, and other products. KEC International has secured new orders worth 1079 crores in T&D and cables business. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. So today, one IPO will be getting listed. The name of the company is Interarc Building Products Limited. Our recommendation was subscribe to the IPO. The details of the IPO are like the issue size is around 600 crores. A fresh issue is around 200 crores, and OFS is around 400 crores. And the objects of the issue is the company wants to fund a capex project of 58 crores. Then they want to upgrade some of their facilities, so they will be using 19 crores for that. They want to fund some like upgrade their IT assets, so 11 crores will be used for that, and balance would be for working capital and general corporate purposes. As far as the company is concerned, the company is one of the leading turnkey pre-engineered steel construction providers in India, with integrated facilities for design, engineering, manufacturing, on-site project management capabilities for the installation and erection of pre-engineered steel buildings. The company has an aggregate installed capacity of 141,000 MTPA as at 31st March 2023, with a market share of 6.5%. As far as the strengths of the companies are concerned, the company has a very strong financial metrics. Its revenue from operations has grown at a CAGR of 24% between FY22 to 24, against an industry average of 12.5%. EBITDA margins have also increased from 3.9% to 8.7% in FY24. The company is virtually debt free. The company's ROCE for FY24 is 26.4% against an industry average of 9.8%. The company has a good proven track record of execution. This can be demonstrated by increasing share of revenue from repeat orders in their total revenue. And also the Indian PEB industry is expected to grow at a CAGR of 11 to 12% between 24 to 29. So that's a good thing for the company. And as far as the valuation is concerned, the company is currently valued at an EV to EBITDA of 12.1 times based on FY24 EBITDA. The industry average is 25.7 times. So given company's attractive valuation, strong track record of growth, decent financial metrics, we recommended subscribe to the issue. As far as the outlook on the IPO is concerned, we expect listing gains, as well as we think it's a good holding from a medium to long-term perspective as well. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, ET has reported that Tata Sons will not, Tata Group will not be listing Tata Sons. Earlier, RBI has guided Tata Sons to get listed, but considering the clause requirement of listing, Tata Sons has repaid the debt which was there on the book, and now it has become debt free and will not be required to list on the stock exchange as NBFC. This has some impact on the companies where the Tata Sons holding is there, mainly Tata Chemical, where the holding of Tata Sons is there, and also apart from that, some holdings are there in Tata Consumer Product and even the Indian Hotel. So all these stocks which were expected to get some value of Tata Sons shares if it got listed will not be getting that value, and as such will be a bit negative for all these companies. Uh, so that's all from us. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So in today's session, we might see a pullback in gold and silver. Gold one can buy on dips around 71,600 and maintain a stop loss of 71,350. On upside, we are eyeing for 72,000, 72,100. And in silver, we are expecting prices to test 85,700 to 86,200. So buying on dips around 84,700 is recommended with a stop loss of 84,000. And in metals, the view remains buy on dip. Prices in copper are expected to test 815.18 on the in the September contract, and one can initiate a buy around 808 with a stop loss of 803. And in zinc also we maintain buy with the target of 271, 273, and buy around 268 with a stop loss of 266. In crude oil, we had witnessed a massive rally on Friday. The momentum should continue. Prices are expected to test 63.50, 64 on the upside. So buying around the support area at 62.40, 62.50 is recommended with a stop loss of 61.70. And natural gas prices are consolidating from 165 to 185. It is at a support area of so one can buy around 165 and keep a strict stop loss of 160. On upside again 177, 180. One should book profits, and for trading purpose, one can also initiate a sell around 180 with a strict stop loss of 186. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.